maintain a healthy scalp by fighting dandruff and improving circulation, which may promote hair growth. Cinnamon stick. Cinnamon improves blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair growth. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help maintain scalp health. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is fantastic for nourishing hair. It strengthens roots, reduces hair fall, and adds shine. It's also known to prevent premature graying. Rosemary. Rosemary is a classic for stimulating hair growth and improving thickness. It enhances scalp circulation and can help with...
Oh, my lovely people, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good. Well, in this video, I'm going to make shampoo with hydrating spray, but I will separate the video. So if you watch the shampoo one, you can come back to watch the hydrating spray one, or if you watch the hydrating spray, you can come back to look for this video and watch it. I'm using the same ingredients, the same natural ingredients to make these two powerful things. One is going to be shampoo, infusing shampoo, and one is going to be hydrating spray. So first of all, let me start with my shampoo. Shampoo, you can use any shampoo of your choice, okay? If you are looking for the long hair, long, thicker, and healthy hair, this video is for you. Because why am I saying it's for you? It's my secret, yeah? It's my secret for growing my hair with my daughter hair. I'm using cinnamon stick, hibiscus, rosemary, clove, plus star anise. Okay, that's the ingredients that, and cumin. I'm adding cumin also inside. So I put it inside. You can see, guys, this is not the I think the second or third day was that I remove it here to shake and put it back, because I don't want the video to be long. That's why some days I'll just shake and put back without taking a video of it. So this one, I shake it this way and send it back again. So I do it this way. I infuse it for 1 week, but it depends to you. You can infuse it more than 1 week, or you can infuse it maybe 2 days or 3 days or 24 hours. It's up to you. But for me, I love to infuse my things because that is how the nutrients can go inside to infuse it very well. So guys, these things I'm going to call Jaffo. So as you guys know me, when you are following me long time, you will see that nowadays I like to call ChatGPT so that we can learn also. I will learn and you guys also learn. I will ask ChatGPT about the ingredients that I'm using to infuse this one, the benefit and how to use it. All of us will hear what ChatGPT is going to say. Okay, guys? So let me call her right now. Yeah, good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What's new with you? Any updates on your hair care experiments or content plans?
Yes. Actually, I infused my shampoo and I want you to break it down for me and my audience. These are the ingredients that I use to infuse the shampoo. I use cumin, cinnamon stick, hibiscus, rosemary, and clove. So can you please break it down for me and my audience? And also, I'm infusing it for 4 days now. I don't know, should I strain it or I should let it infuse more days?
That sounds like an amazing infusion, Jeff. Let's break it down for your audience. Cumin. Cumin is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps maintain a healthy scalp by fighting dandruff and improving circulation, which may promote hair growth. Cinnamon stick. Cinnamon improves blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair growth. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help maintain scalp health. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is fantastic for nourishing hair. It strengthens roots, reduces hair fall, and adds shine. It's also known to prevent premature graying. Rosemary. Rosemary is a classic for stimulating hair growth and improving thickness. It enhances scalp circulation and can help with dandruff and itchiness. Clove. Clove has a cooling effect and is great for reducing scalp irritation. It also boosts blood flow to the hair follicles, encouraging healthier hair growth. As for your infusion, 4 days is usually enough time for the nutrients to extract into the shampoo, especially if it's stored in a warm area. You can strain it now if the scent and consistency feel right. However, if you feel it could still absorb more, leaving it for up to a week should be fine. Just give it a good shake daily to ensure everything mixes well. Do you want to share this as a video or post? Or are you looking for additional tips for your content?
Yes, actually, I wanted to share it in my channel. Can I share it? Do you think that it's idea to share it with my audience?
Absolutely, Jeff. This is a fantastic idea to share with your audience. People love learning about DIY hair care, especially unique shampoo infusions with powerful natural ingredients like the ones you've used. You could structure the video to include 1. Why these ingredients? Highlight the benefits of each. 2. How you infused it. Show the process from adding the ingredients to the shampoo to letting it sit for days. 3. When to strain it. Share your thoughts on whether you're straining it or letting it infuse longer, and why. 4. Results. If you've used it already, describe how it felt on your hair, or share before and after impressions if possible. It's engaging, informative, and very relatable for a DIY hair care audience. Go for it. Would you like help with framing your script or title?
Okay, thank you very much. Yes, I want to ask you, I have more questions, and how can I use it with this shampoo? How can I use it? The best way to use it?
Great question, Jeff. Here's how you can use your infused shampoo for maximum benefits.
Okay.
1. Shake well. Before using, give the bottle a good shake to make sure all the infused ingredients are well distributed throughout the shampoo. 2. Apply to wet hair. Wet your hair thoroughly and take an appropriate amount of shampoo. 3. Massage your scalp. Gently massage the shampoo into your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps stimulate blood circulation and allows the infused nutrients to penetrate. 4. Let it sit. Leave the shampoo on your hair for an additional minute or 2 before rinsing. This gives the active ingredients time to work on your scalp and hair. 5. Rinse thoroughly. Wash out the shampoo completely to avoid any residue. 6. Follow-up care. Use a conditioner or leave-in treatment to lock in moisture, especially since infused shampoos can sometimes feel a bit more potent. You can use this shampoo every wash day or as often as you normally shampoo your hair. If you notice it feels too strong or drying over time, unlikely, but just in case, you can alternate it with a milder shampoo. Would you like to include these steps in your content as well?
Yes.
They could be helpful for your audience.
Yes, I will share it with my audience. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you watch it up to this point, may Allah bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for me. And also, when because of ChatGPT was talking, that's why I didn't say anything. I added my infusing oil, 2 tablespoons. I added 2 tablespoons oil inside of it. So that one is optional. You can add the oil inside, or you can do it without adding oil. I added oil because sometimes you can do it this way. The cleanser shampoo, maybe you may feel like hair dry, but when you have some oil inside, it's keeping your head even more also moisture after you just finish doing your wash everything. So that's why I added the oil inside. So but it's optional. That what I'm saying, it's optional. You can add oil or you can do it without adding oil. It's up to you. So thank you very much. And this one also, if you guys can see, when I do, after straining it, I wash my filter. I wash it and pour that water inside of the big container. The red one, I did not dilute any water inside, but the small one and the big one, I diluted the water inside the big one, but the small one, I did not dilute any water. That's the infusing shampoo that I keep inside. That is my secret for growing my hair or doing my wash day. During my wash day, that's the shampoos that I'm using. And also, I can say that I always wash because my daughter hair, normally, you know, children, sometimes she may eating food and use the food also to be putting inside her head. So definitely, I have to wash it. I'm using this shampoo to be washing it. Thank you very much for watching.